so good to be driving the STI again. If you guys missed the previous video, we officially got the STI cleared from the state ref. Long story short, if you guys don't know what a state ref is like a ticket in California where you have to put your car back to stock. You can't drive it until you get it cleared. So last video, we finally got it cleared, so this car is good to go. I can finally drive this thing. Only downside is it's completely stock, so stock exhaust, stock downpipe and everything, no tune. But it's cool though, because we can drive it finally on the road again and make content with it. So yeah, STI is back, therefore, let's go and drive this thing. Tires are showing, one of them is actually leaking air, as you can see. 36 psi, so definitely got to fill that up before we debead. This is why I always keep a freaking air thing in my trunk for my tires. These things are so clutch. So this is from Drift Dialects. It's pretty much a Bluetooth tire pressure monitor, so I can see the psi's of the tires inside of the car, so we don't run the risk of debeading since we're running stretched tires. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just plugs in right here. And your cigarette lighter, you can literally see your tire pressures. Fine. Put our sensor back on. They're all labeled too, so as you can see, front right. It's pretty cool. It's a nice little like peace of mind modification to your car if you're running stretch tires. And 42. Good enough. All right guys, we're back at the golfing range. Guys, it's honestly been one of like my, I guess you can say one of my new hobbies with me and the friends. As you can see, we got Ethan here. But yeah, we've been going really often. Honestly, I suck so bad, but it's fun learning and like trying to get the hang of it. I guess that's like the thing I like, is just the challenge of learning something. So yeah, we're back. Hi, bro. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
So dude, you guys ready?
Chillin'.
I don't know, golfing is like kind of like one of those things that I never saw myself really getting into. I guess like the challenge of it is what makes it fun to me. Like I'm trying to get my freaking swing down, which is super hard, but trying. I would have thought on my sleeve, but yeah, fuck it.
Can't lie.
They've been asking, dude. Part 2? Part 2 soon? I've been getting comments, dude. They want to see a part 2. You ready?
I used to practice though, bro.
Part 2 is coming soon, guys.
A lot as hell, bro.
Alright, I just got done at the range. I'd say that was a pretty like successful day. I kind of got the hang of it. I think last time I didn't really know what I was doing, but I've been watching a lot of like reels and videos, and golf stuff has just been popping up on my feed, and it's just been helping me, so put it to use, and I actually did pretty good today. Good sesh?
A little mid. When we get in there.
Car's looking good though right now. The lighting is like perfect.
Dude, this thing is sick.
Huh? Imagine busted headlight. Alright, but for real though, this is actually the last time you guys are gonna see the car blue. So we're actually taking the wrap off, and I know it's very, very soon, but guys, there's a reason why I want to take this wrap off. There's actually 2 reasons, and it actually falls in place with the plan on what we're trying to do for the cruise. Okay, and I'll talk about it more later in this video, but it's like a big surprise. One of the reasons though is the quarter panel is really messed up. I actually kind of buckled the quarter panels inwards from running fender to lip. I'm running a tuck fitment now, but before, it's really hard to see, but it's kind of like bent in. And then obviously, as you can tell, the wrap is just really messed up. It looks really bad. That being said, you'd have to wrap the whole entire quarter panel to fix that. It's peeling, and this side is more of, you can kind of see, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's like dented inward. So I really want to take the wrap off, get the fenders re-rolled again so it can kind of be like straight and there's no like bends in the quarter panel, and then once we do that, we can go ahead and rewrap the car. So yeah, that's a big reason why we're rewrapping the STI. I just want to fix the quarter panels because I was running fender to lip fitment for a while, and just airing out and driving low, it just really damaged the quarter panel. It should be fixable. So yeah, it's kind of like a last look with the snow blue wrap. I do really love this color. I mean, obviously we ran a similar color on the FRS. I don't know, I just love the baby blue. It pops so much, especially in this lighting. Like, this color is really nice, and it just stands out a lot. You guys know me, I love colors that just stand out. It was very nice on the car. It's definitely one of my favorite colors. Did I tell you the new wrap color? You want to know?
What is it?
It's gonna be like
That's me sick.
yeah. Like, what do you think about taking the wrap off?
Oh, you telling me the new color?
You think it's better than the blue, or honest opinion? Honest opinion.
I thought about wrapping my car that color.
Oh yeah, you did, yeah. It's gonna be nice. So I'm wrapping the car.
Don't sell E.
Oh yeah,
It's neon green.
Why? I wanted it to be like a surprise. It is.
it's not neon, bro.
Oh.
Guys, it's happening.
I feel it, bro. It hurts me.
It's coming off pretty easy though, huh?
Yeah.
There's no residue. Damn, guys, back to silver. That's crazy. So yes, today is the day we're gonna be taking off the wrap on the STI. So I've been teasing it for the longest freaking time. Now, one of the reasons why we're taking the wrap off of the STI is because on my birthday cruise on June 3rd, we're actually cruising to the wrap vault where the STI will be rewrapped. At the end of the cruise, we're gonna go to the wrap vault, which is the last stop, and we're pretty much gonna reveal the new wrap color for the STI. So that's gonna be like the, you know, the huge surprise. That's something I've been kind of like keeping in from you guys. You know, we're just gonna cruise from San Diego, and it's pretty much a 2-hour cruise up to the wrap vault. And yeah, we'll have this car under a little, like, I don't know what you call those. It'll be covered up though, and we're gonna do a whole reveal with the new wrap color. So that's super freaking exciting. But yeah, first things first, we gotta remove the old wrap, sadly. Guys, look what just happened. Bro, literally just took off the paint. This is so bad. Alright, so before that happened, I've been seeing all this. So it's actually been pulling off the clear coat and parts of the paint around the edges. And the first paint chip was right here in this corner. This is where I started. Now when I first got the car from the dealership, I kind of knew that this bumper was resprayed because there was like a few drip marks, and it didn't really look like OEM quality paint on the bumper. Like I said, I had a feeling when I first got this car it was resprayed in the bumper, but dude, now taking the wrap off, I can definitely see that it's definitely not, that it's not OEM paint. It's peeling clear, and
Right here, we did
bro,
like a
that
big
sucks. Just
Should I keep going?
I don't even care at this point. Dude, it's gonna take off the whole side. Wait, so okay.
This is primer right here. But
It is really?
Yeah.
No, I feel like this is the OEM silver, but I feel like they primed over it
Oh,
again.
they primed right here, so maybe they got like rear-ended right here before or something like that.
Something. Maybe they just like scratched the bumper, like backed into something. I don't know. Cause like this is silver. This is like metallic silver right here. So you could tell they like sanded it.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, this is sanded right here. Look.
Oh yeah, this is definitely standard right here.
Yeah, so this definitely resprayed for sure.
Oh,
my.
dude. It's still going,
This
bro.
is like making me cringe.
That's crazy.
Alright guys, update about an hour later. Dude, my hands are killing me. Dude, my fingertips are so freaking sore right now. But anyways, all that's really left is the front bumper, the trunk, which Victor is working on right now. I'm actually gonna leave the side skirts as is because we're actually replacing these side skirts with new ones. Small stuff is left too, like the door handles. Oh my gosh, dude, can't get over that on the bumper. But yeah, I'm working on the rear passenger door. Got this side off as well. And then yeah, like I said, the front bumper after that. But so far so good. Good thing is nothing else has really been peeling besides obviously the rear bumper. I'm just gonna continue to try to unwrap this. Alright, so we're pretty much done unwrapping this thing for now. Our fingers are just absolutely killing us, so I'm just gonna go and stop with this. There's still a lot of wrap left, honestly, but I'll probably just end up peeling this some other day. But anyways, like I said, these are gonna be taken off, so that's why we didn't unwrap the side skirts. And right here is the replacement. Some various carbon fiber side skirts for the STI. Look at this, guys. Various Japan, dude, these carbon pieces are so sick. It's pretty much what it looks like together. Let's get this out. Damn, bro, it's gonna sit so low.
Got the Asian camera, they got the...
That's the carbon piece I'm talking about. Thought this would be like direct replacement, but from the looks of it, there's no pop clips behind the Veris one. Now the stock ones are just pop clips that just pop in the body. For the looks of it, as you can tell, there's just holes right here, and I guess you're gonna have to freaking drill into the body right here. I don't know, because there's holes along like the front right here, so I think they make you like literally drill into the panel right there. And with that being said, I'm not gonna put him on in this video. This video is probably already super long already, but yeah, I just want to show you guys in this video what the new side skirts are. Obviously it's gonna look much better once, you know, everything is all wrapped in one color, but these are freaking sick, guys. Various side skirts, these are literally like my dream side skirts. In my opinion, I think are the best ones for this car. So, about this little birthday cruise that I've been talking about. So, on June 3rd, we are doing our annual birthday cruise that I usually do every single year. I think we've done it for the past 3 or 4 years. I think 3, but this one's special, guys. As you guys saw, we unwrapped the STI, and that is because we are getting a brand new wrap for this car. So, super, super exciting. And at the end of this cruise, we are actually going to be revealing the new wrap over at the wrap vault. I'll go and put the flyer right here on the screen with all the information, all the details. But pretty much we're gonna be starting down in San Diego, California. First stop, if you guys are familiar with the area, it's gonna be in Mira Mesa. We're gonna cruise up to Temecula, which will be the second spot. And then the third and the last spot will be at the wrap vault where the STI will be. And we're pretty much gonna do like a whole reveal party / car meet. And you know, we're gonna have food, merch booth there, and much more. So it's gonna be super fun and exciting, you know, like a little reveal party, car meet, have food at the shop, a merch booth if you guys want to buy some merch. And I think it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be super, super exciting. It's literally all I've been thinking about for like the past month. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. You know, share the flyer around, bring your friends, bring your family. I think it's gonna be very cool. So kind of sad that the blue is gone already. You know, we unwrapped the car and destroy the paint as we were doing that, but anyways, I think it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be cool seeing this car in another color, especially with the new, oh, you guys can't see it, but the new side skirts we're gonna put on, so it's gonna look a little bit different. But yeah, smash that like button if you guys are excited. Also subscribe if you guys haven't already, and if you guys are new, we'll try to hit 100,000 subscribers for my birthday. I feel like that would be so cool. But yeah, with all that being said, I'm gonna get started on the next video with the side skirts. So I hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.